My name's Angharad Jones. I work as a food technologist at the Food Technology Centre in Llangefni. My qualifications are a degree in food science and technology, which I did at Manchester Metropolitan University. I chose food technology as a career because I'm from a farming background and I really enjoyed cooking when I was younger, but also enjoy the science aspect of it as well and the technological side of it. And I think the food sector is a very exciting sector to be in, always changing, and there's always opportunities for further development. I think a typical day at work at the Food Technology Centre would involve dealing with various clients in the food sector, working with various clients on different food projects. It could be anything from new product development to microbiological testing, conducting labelling reviews on products, nutritional testing, micro testing, all that kind of thing. The best thing about being a food technologist is being able to play around with all sorts of different foods and experiment with different recipes and trying to make sure that the product is safe to eat for people so that it reaches the consumer correctly in the supermarket. Top tips for someone who wanted to do food science and technology as a career would be to do either science subjects at school like chemistry or biology, but also if food science and technology is available at the school, I would definitely go down that route. And then further education would be then either a degree in food science and technology or to follow something like chemistry or biology or biochemistry at university. A nerdy fact about the food industry is there are over 2,000 varieties of cheese in the world, and mozzarella is the most popular cheese. My favourite food is Welsh lamb. I would either have a leg of lamb as a Sunday roast, or I would roast a leg of lamb or a shoulder of lamb to do like a lamb tagine to have with flatbreads or like a Moroccan stew or something like that.